Hey girls, so I'm headed out of town in the morning and I want to show you how I pack all of my toiletries, because when we travel, we do not neglect ourselves. We still keep the same, almost the same hygiene and shower routine and even post-shower routine. So I want to show you how I pack all of my necessary hygiene essentials, especially because the girls are asking. So if you ask, I answer and I report for duty. I clock in, okay? Okay, this is what I like to use for all of my travel essentials. This is like TSA pre-approved bag. Now, when you're going out of the country, they are a little bit more strict, but right now I am traveling domestically and this is what works for me. So I get everything in here. I promise you, I can get everything that I need to get in here. It is tried and true. I don't know about you, but I pack in the order of my routine. So the first thing for me that I'm going to pack is a bar of soap. I told you guys that I go between the regular Dove white bar and the Dove Sensitive. I have the Dove Sensitive on hand, so this is what I'm going to go with when I travel. And I told you I am for the streets when it comes to a body wash. I use whatever body wash is best for me at that time and the goals that I am trying to reach for my skin. Dove is my favorite travel body wash. They have these cute little travel size little body washes, and also I just love Dove. Like, it's no secret, I love Dove. I hope they love me back. Okay. Usually I do travel with the L'Occitane shower oil as well, but I just ran out of that, so I don't have that, but I do travel with it as well. Next up, I am going in with my witch hazel. Now, of course, I cannot take this to TSA. I would have to put this in a check bag. I'm not checking a bag, so I do use this little travel size bottle. I always keep my travel bag pretty much pre-packed, so I already have this one, and we're going to add this as well. Also going to add cotton rounds, because we use cotton rounds to apply our witch hazel to our armpits, you know, in betwixt, in the crevices, on the outer thigh, not the inside. Amen. Amen. Next up for me is lotion. Nivea has these travel size little lotions, and they are literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in the entire world. Now, here's a hack. Once you buy this and you have the Nivea lotion at home, girl, just refill it. In this economy, stop buying these little ones. Refill that thing. It ain't hurting nobody. Refill that thing, but just go ahead and refill it. So I had this, I actually just bought this one, but it was like halfway full. So I just filled it up with the Nivea that I already have in the larger size. And this is also going in the bag. And then y'all know we use African oil to seal in all the moisture. And of course I can't take this one. So I do have a little travel size of oil as well, because again, we are not neglecting ourselves just because we're traveling. It's coming with us. And I am also packing this as well. I am a fan of the Cashmere Vanilla Lotion. I think it is absolutely amazing as a base layer for your perfumes. So I'm going to be packing this as well, just to give me a little as I travel and go throughout my day, because it's just too good. So after we go ahead and do our, regular routine of putting on lotion, putting on oil, this is going to be my base for my perfume and my perfume oil as well. And I forgot to mention that I also do travel with the EOS shaving cream. This is another travel size. I love this. I take this with me, and I'm also going to be packing my flamingo razor, because I don't know how long I'm going to be gone, y'all. I genuinely don't. I booked it one way. I don't know how long I'm going to be gone. I'm going to be gone as long as I am needed. So my hair grows a little fast, so she might need to touch up as needed. Amen. This is one of my favorite spring and summer fragrances, so of course I gotta add this. I already know how I feel about my oral hygiene routine. That Oral-B is going with me. It's also no secret that I love Colgate. I hope Colgate loves me too. Colgate, call me. Call me. But I had to get the paste, because for some reason they don't sell the gel in travel size. What's up with that? I feel like some of my favorite products are not sold in travel size, and I have to compromise. And I don't feel like I should have to compromise on a lot of things in my life. Colgate, make a gel. We love the Total. Make it a gel for travel size. Thank you. Love you. And if you've been here for any amount of time, you know that I live and die by TheraBreath. They are the absolute best, but they don't sell the travel size in the flavor that I like. So I poured this out, and I've been using this and just been refilling this. So I actually need to do that right now. So let's do it together. Oh, Father. Okay. Also, I wear retainers, so we're going to pack my retainers, because these teeth cost too much. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little all over the place. It's a lot going on. I forgot to pack my feminine wash, and we cannot forget that. This is not travel size, so we're going to put some in, you got it. We're going to put some in a travel size container, and a little bit goes a long way for this, so you really don't need that much. That's enough. You literally only need a dime size of this rubbed into your hands to get the job done. Amen, amen. When I'm traveling, I usually use the You to the People cleanser that I use in the mornings. But again, I just ran out of that as well. So we're going to be using the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser as our cleanser for traveling. I've used this cleanser multiple times. It's really good for not just removing makeup, but it is also good just for as a base cleanser. And this does not break me out at all. I do recommend this. It is not on my top 5 list, but it comes in handy for travel size when I am traveling. So we love her. Throwing in my hyaluronic acid. This is for my nighttime skincare routine. For my morning skincare routine, I use this in the morning, so I'm going to add this as well. We always use a brightening serum in the morning. Always use a brightening serum in the morning and vitamin C in the morning because that's what the esthetician said, and we follow what the esthetician say, okay? This helps with hyperpigmentation. If you were suffering with that, highly recommend it. This is also one of my favorite moisturizers, and I don't believe I've talked about it just yet on here, but this is my holy grail of like travel moisturizers. I do use this when I'm not traveling, but they have it in travel size, and I live and die by this stuff. This is the Belief True Aqua Bomb. Oh my gosh, this will leave you looking like a glazed donut without putting any oil on your face. Like, it just makes you look so delicious. This is always my moisturizer of choice when I'm traveling. Of course, we can't forget deodorant. Y'all, I'm a little out of it. Give me some grace, okay? Amen, amen. Of course, we cannot forget Josie Maran. Y'all know I am a Josie Maran stan. I am a Josie Maran fan, and this is the oil that I use in my nighttime skincare routine, and it comes in this little cute travel size bottle. Like, girl, yes. And one thing I love about Josie Maran is that they are refillable. So I have a refillable little canister that I can refill as much as I want. And of course, we cannot forget our sunscreen. I love the Element sunscreen. It is great for Black and brown people because it blends in seamlessly to our skin and does not leave a white cast. Of course, we cannot forget our lip care. I'm packing my Tower 28 SOS Lip Softy. Just too good. Y'all know how I feel about this. If I like it, I'm gonna stick by it. I don't know if y'all have houses or apartments for your toothbrush when you travel, but I do. She has a nice little apartment. Cute little condo. While I'm traveling, I do use makeup wipes. On a normal day, I do not use makeup wipes at all. I'm really not a fan of makeup wipes. When I'm traveling, I'm not packing that big old thing of cleansing balm. And then I make sure I go in and cleanse really, really well with the cleanser that I have on hand. The most important thing, our African net sponge. I told y'all I cut mine up into little washcloth sizes, and it just works for me. I'm going to throw this in my toiletry bag as well because I'm not using that washcloth at the hotel. And if I'm being honest, I bring my own towel too, but that's personal preference. That's personal preference. I just like to do that. You don't have to do that. Amen, amen. And this, my friends, is what my toiletry bag looks like. It has everything that I need in here. She is safe, secure, and she is definitely TSA approved. So this is proof that you do not have to neglect your body care hygiene routine just because you're traveling, girl. You can take it with you. You can take it with you. This proof right here, babes, you can take it. You don't have to compromise. You don't have to compromise. And you can use that in any area of your life. Catch it? Oh, okay. And of course, I can't end this video without answering all the questions that I know you're gonna ask that have nothing to do with this video, so let's get into it. These earrings are from Bauble Bar. They are my absolute fave. My necklaces are from Ana Luisa. They are always pinned to the top of my LTK shop. And these pajamas are linked in my Amazon store. They are cute, they are comfy. These are in a size small and they have pockets. If you're a girl, I sold you when I said they had pockets. I just did. But that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.